Hello, my name's Jackie, and you are watching Hidden Secret Wigs. If you have found us on the internet, it is so nice to meet you. If you are one of our clients, it is so nice to see you again. Today, we are going to be talking about washing your synthetic fibered wig. It is very important that you take care and maintain your hairs, and I'm not talking hairs on your head, I'm talking the wigs that you buy. Those are your hairs, those are your girls or your ladies. It's very important that you maintain those properly. Now, when you come to our shop and you purchase one of our hairs, we send you with this packet. This is a folder that is full of information and all the information that you will need to properly maintain, wash, and take care of your hairs. Your other option, of course, is to drop it off to us and we will maintain and wash it for you. But if you are one of those ladies who are going to do it at home by yourself, which I know you can, this video is for you. This is just a friendly reminder that this video is strictly for synthetic fibered hair. So if you have a human hair wig, do not follow these steps. In the description bar below, I will put a link for you specifically so you can watch how to wash human hair wigs. If you have a blend, this video is not for you. I will also put a link in the description bar below for you to watch how to wash your hairs. So if you have a synthetic wig at home that you need to wash, keep watching. We are going to go ahead and get started at your kitchen sink or maybe your bathroom sink. And we're just going to take a look here. This is a machine-made wig, and you're going to look right at the front there to see if there's any makeup, maybe some foundation or powder, places that might need a little extra attention. Go ahead and start filling your sink up with water. You don't want to fill it all the way up. You just want to fill it up enough to submerge your wig. You are going to want to use lukewarm on the side of cool water, and you're going to want to use the manufacturer recommended shampoo. It is so important that you don't use your bio hair shampoo. You use manufacturer recommended shampoo, and you get that nice and sudsy in that water. Now, I use 2 pumps of the manufacturer recommended shampoo because I will be washing 2 wigs, okay? So if you're just washing 1 wig, just use 1 pump and go ahead and submerge that wig in the water. Create some movement within the water so the soap and the water can just get in every little nook and cranny and fully surround each fiber of the hair. A little pro tip for you here: if your wigs are full of product, maybe hairspray or a pomade of some sort, go ahead and put a little bit of baking soda in the water and let that dissolve a little bit before you submerge your wigs. It'll just help clear up some of that residue, some of that product residue on there. So from here, I'm going to just let these girls sit for about 15 to 20 minutes or so. Now, I have to be honest with you, I let these sit for about 25 minutes. And as you can tell, the water is really no longer sudsy. So I go ahead and I'm going to drain the water. Now, I like to take this extra step and I like to get a little bit more of that manufacturer recommended shampoo. This is a full pump. I probably could have got away with a half pump. And I go through and just give it 1 more shampoo. These are for clients. We do like to take any extra step necessary to ensure a really good and properly maintained wig. So I am going to just get that makeup and foundation off the front. If this was a lace front, I would be very, very, very cautious when doing the lace front, just because lace is very delicate. And then I rinse. I give that girl a rinse and rinse. And when I think it's rinsed, I'm going to rinse it again because you do not want any of the leftover shampoo on your hairs. It will make them somewhat gummy-like, and they won't have the movement that we want to achieve for that natural look. So rinse. I can't say it enough. Rinse. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my completely rinsed wig and I'm going to do a little towel burrito and gently squeeze out any extra moisture that's in there. I am then going to spray on the manufacturer recommended leave-in conditioner, and I am going to comb that throughout the fibers. I am doing what I kind of refer to as like a comb and flick because I want that movement. These are going to air dry. You cannot use a blow dryer on these. So they need to dry with that movement in it. It's just kind of foreshadowing the shape of how this wig is styled is basically what I'm doing here. And I give her a little shaky shake just to loosen her all up. There's two ways to finish the drying process. One is with a styrofoam head, and the other is with a hanger. So I'm going to show you how to do this particular one with the hanger. So we use these hangers in the studio, but you can use just a regular clothing hanger. And I loop it right there on the adjustment tab, give her a little shake, and then I hang her up on a drying rack. But you can go ahead and hang her up right on your shower head. The reason we choose to hang some of our wigs upside down with the hanger is because it achieves a higher volume look. So if you are looking for a higher volume look, hang it upside down with the clothing hanger. To finish the drying process with a styrofoam head, you are going to place your wig with the front of the wig on the forehead of the styrofoam head. If you have a lace front, double check your lace that it is not rolled under and that it is laying flat. Check that the ear tabs are even with one another. It doesn't have to be perfect when it's drying, but it does help create a better shape. And from here, I personally like to use my fingers as my styling tools, and I go through and I pinch at the crown a little bit in the back, and also at the part just to create a little extra volume and a little extra movement so it doesn't dry flat to your head. I hope that this video was informative and helpful for you. If you are interested in visiting us personally here at the shop located in Zeeland, Michigan, please give us a call and make your appointment today. We are appointment only, so call us at 616-546-9444. You can also follow us on all of our social medias, and I will link those below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and if you could do us a quick favor, go ahead and like and subscribe.